even in this little thing, right? In my brain, I'm already calculating all these moves, right? I'm already watching each candle, each pattern, each one, the one previous. Where's it going? Where did it go? How did it start? What kind of volume was in there? What did it do? Where's it going? What's happening on my level 2 at the same time? Is there any resistance I need to be watching at the exact same time this is happening? In the meantime, I'm always like right here. I'm paying attention to where the previous zones were of what I need to look for. Like, notice I don't need the whole day. I don't care about the day. All I need is this right here in front of me. This is telling me everything I need to know about it. You see how right here this got bought right back up, but you can see it's pushing down. You can still see the body is still lower than the previous body, right? Like all of these things. Every single one of these. Notice this is starting to change direction. Do you see how this is going a little flatter? You see this?
Yeah.
So instead of it went down, 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 here it went flat, flat. You see this?
Yeah.
This is the change. It's the change, though. It's literally these one little microsecond changes, but you need to be able to adapt, play them, manipulate them. Like the second it happens, you're changing them. But you can tell, like the way it's flatter instead of pulling down. Do you see how it's just not down, 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 down? It's changing. There you go. See, it's changing.
It's sideways now.
See,
And popping
boom.
up.
There you go. Now,
That's
anybody
great.
else who had been scalping that would have been like, what? It's perfectly to the downside. Look. I'm like, I'm telling you, it's not. I can see it. It's changing. But thank you, DT. You see right here, DT? Look.
Yeah. It's
Huh?
like a chia pet.
Huh? Now, see, now somebody would have been
Chi-chi-chi-chi.
burned right here.
I sure would have. Like, oh my
Like,
God.
oh, what do you mean, coach? They were like, what are you talking about? That looks beautiful. It's all to the downside. I'm like, I'm telling you right now, it's not. It could have literally just popped and then started making a move to the other direction. But I knew that at least out of this gate, this was going to have some kind of move to the upside. It didn't mean it was going to be this big of a movement, right? You're never going to guess drastically like this. But I could tell you that I would not be trying to short this here, right? Because I'm going to get burned. So this would have been a long, which I would have got paid nicely because it ended up being a really big long instead of what I thought could be a small pop, right?